In this video, I'll be talking about how to be successful in stock market to make profit constantly. Okay, so what is a mindset you need to have to make profit constantly in trading? So I'll be telling. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about how to be successful in stock market to make profit constantly. Okay, so what is a mindset you need to have to make profit constantly in trading? So I'll be telling you three important tips what will help you to change your mindset and how to fix your mindset to make a consistent profit in intraday trading. So I'll be sharing you these three important formulas and three important tips. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all this information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips on a lot of things regarding stock market and intraday trading in my channel. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in intraday trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly, and also people who had losses have recovered the loss. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here in my blogspot. Okay, so not only you can make consistent profit once you join my course and learn how to make profit constantly, you can create your own wealth, be financially free and buy whatever you want. So for all these things I'll be guiding you in my course. So what I'll be teaching you in my course is that, so you might have joined other courses but this course is very unique and different. In my course I'll be teaching you what is needed to make profit constantly, 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies. Okay, these are with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks, and also you'll be getting lifetime support in the live market also. Okay, so all these things I'll be guiding you. Okay, so I want you guys to make the profit constantly. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm conducting the course. So you can go through all of this earning proof and feedback messages, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit and to stop your losses from now on, you can join us. Okay, and also you can go through a lot of the feedback messages what I've got, and if you're motivated and inspired to make profit constantly from now on, you can join us. Okay, so these are the advantages and benefits what you get. So once you join my course, you will be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you my 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And as I said, you'll be getting lifetime support. And also in live market, I'll be guiding you. Okay, so if you're a beginner, I'll be guiding you from the basics. So if you're in stress and if you're lost money, don't worry. You can join this course, and just with a capital of 5 to 10,000 rupees, you can earn 1,000 rupees per day. Okay, and you just need to spend only 15 to 30 minutes per day to make 10% profit on your capital. So you don't have to spend a full day for trading. That is, I mean to say, you can earn 1000 rupees per day profit with the investment of just 10,000 rupees. And also I'll be guiding you with a good money management system, a risk free trading system, and also, as you guys know, my course price are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about what is the three important tips to make consistent profit in intraday trading, okay, and in the stock market. So the first thing is energy. So not a physical energy, the mental energy should be good in your mind. Okay, so you should have a positive energy. Okay, so why I'm telling positive energy means, a lot of people, I've seen that they come to a stock market and they do mistakes. Okay, and they lose their money and think bad about stock market. They think stock market is gaming, it's gambling, and it's not good, you can't make money, and all these things they will have it in their mind. So that should be removed. Okay, so if you really want to make a career in stock market trading, if you want to make profits, you should have positive energy, you should think good about stock market trading. Okay, and stock market trading is not at all gambling, it's fully on studies. Okay, and for that, if you want to make profit constantly, you need to follow your rules, you need to make up a discipline to make consistent profit. Okay, and also not only having good strategy will help you, You should also have a good money management system, a risk reward management, and everything. And you have to be focused on your capital to make a good profit. To learn all these things, you can join my course. In my course, I'll be teaching you a 95% accuracy unique strategies and also money management system, and also everything what is needed to make profit constantly in intraday trading. Just with the investment of 5 to 10,000 rupees, you can make 1,000 rupees profit per day. So for all these things, I'll be guiding you in my course. Okay. So this is the first step, that is energy. You should have a good energy, a good vibes, and a positive energy. And stock market trading is not gambling at all, and following your good disciplines. Okay, coming to the next point, determination. So you should have a determination and a aim to achieve profits in stock market. So many people, once they lose their capital at the beginning itself, they go empty and they can't trade. So I'll tell you why this is happening. Because beginning itself, you guys will invest lot of money like lakhs together and lose it, and then you will have no determination to do this again. So I request you guys, if you are a beginner, start with a less capital, that is 5 to 10,000 rupees capital, and start trading from that. And once you make profit, then only increase your capital. So don't lose your huge capital at the beginning itself and lose your determination and courage. Okay, so always have a determination to make consistent profit. Always have a good mind setup to trade. Okay. Coming to the third point, patience. Yes, patience is very, very important in stock market trading. Either you're doing it intraday trading or the personal trading. So, whichever segment you're trading on, the patience is the key to success. If you don't have a patience, you can't make profits. So, if you're not in a patience, you'll rush to trade and take a wrong trades and you'll end up in losses. Okay. And also sometimes I see the people doing this, they buy the stock will go up, but they can't wait. Okay, so just because the stock has little bit come down, they sell it off, and then they see the chart later on, and they recognize that the stock has went up and their study was correct, and they think I made a mistake. So you need to have a patience and wait for it and follow the rules. Okay, so if you have a patience, you can definitely make money in stock market. So you need to learn when to wait, when to exit, when to book the profit, and all these things to make consistent profit. So these are the three important tips which will help you to make successful profit in stock market trading. So hope you guys like this video and felt helpful. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit I made on what stock I traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.